You feel it, don't you? That quiet pressure in your chest. The feeling that time is moving and you're not. 30 days from now, your life can look completely different. But only if you decide that today is the line. Right now, your days are slipping away. Scrolling, waiting, thinking about what you could become. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow or next week. But the truth is simple. Comfort is slowly stealing your future. You are not lazy. You are distracted. You are surrounded by noise and habits that keep you small. Deep down, you know you are capable of more. So this is the moment you stop blaming your situation. You stop waiting for motivation and start building discipline. The next 30 days are not about being perfect. They are about becoming dangerous to your old life. You take control of your mornings and wake earlier. No phone, no excuses, just silence and movement. If you win the first hour, the day follows. Step 2. Remove what weakens you. Look at your habits honestly. Cut them down, not slowly, directly. Every minute you take back is invested in you. Build one strong habit for body and mind. Train your body daily, even when tired. Then train your mind. Read, learn, think. Growth is built through repetition. Do something difficult every day. That is where your confidence begins to grow. During these 30 days, something powerful will start. Your focus will sharpen and your energy will change. You will look at yourself and realize something. You were never stuck. You were waiting. Transformation is quiet, daily, consistent. After 30 days of discipline, you change. So start today. Not perfectly, just seriously. Because 30 days from now, you will either meet the stronger version of yourself or the same person waiting.